We're going to be making a line with a width in this lesson, so that's what's coming up. In the previous example, we did draw a line. So what we want to do right now is we want to update the line's width. So we can set a width using the CTX and then do a line width. So this is going to be camel cased, and then whatever width that we want to set the line to. So in this case, I've made the width of the line to be 5. You can always update that, and that can be 15 pixels or whatever you select. And then also notice that when we're starting at 0, 0, we're no longer 0, 0. So if we had something like a line at 14, we might want to start this line at -7 and also -7. So that will give us more of a center point. And it looks like I still need to move that over a little bit more from the starting point. So let's bring that over and have the x coordinate. Keep in mind that because we are -7 on the top, that's going to move our line position quite a bit over. So you might have to play around with it to get it to look proper. And depending on where you want to set the line and the starting point of the line, you might need to make some adjustments. So again, it still doesn't look quite right. So let me move it over to -28. So that looks a little bit better as a starting position. And again, you might have to tweak it, do a little bit of math there to figure out what the ideal starting position is now that you've got a width on the line.